YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, quick update video. Got in touch with Applianceelectronics where I got this from, and very quickly they have sorted it out with CML and got the missing parts or the incorrect parts sorted. So, what they actually sent is more than I expected. So they've sent me 2 extra crash bars, because this comes as a full kit. So we've got 2 extra Nerf bars, an extra front bumper, and the part that was actually wrong in the kit. So the front bumper looks exactly the same, so nice, we've got a spare bumper, but you can definitely see the difference in that bit. So apparently that's the bit they're sending what's wrong. So let's quickly get that swapped out. And that's the turnbuckle and the O-ring that they got sent out to me. So again, guys at Applianceelectronics, cannot fault the service. Absolutely fantastic. Hardly any waiting for it. Got it all sorted. So let's get the body shell. Now I've got a few little bits to finish up on this one. I'm not sure which one of the wings we're going to end up using, and I'm not sure how low I want it, and I think I'm probably looking at where the suspension sits, maybe having to put a bit more preload on the back. But this is the Bitty Designs ZL21, and it is a gorgeous looking body. I'll give you some idea what it's like front back. And this is Core RC's Bullion Gold, and it has got a tiny bit of one of the Tamiya flip paints in it. But that's how we're looking so far. Really happy with how this one's come out. If anybody's wondering how I managed to mount the front, the back is the standard mounts, and the front I've just cut the side off, because on this body it lines up on the little slopes. And I'm not sure, it's quite soft suspension on front of this at the minute, so I just need to get my hand underneath so I can push the body down enough to put the clips on. But there we have it. It does clip on. Quite happy with ride height, and the tyres are going to have to go quite high up before they hit the body. Not sure if I'm going to fit the, there is a front splitter, and I do have 2 other wings for back, so we're going to have to run it and see. I have seen some aero kits to smooth out the bottom, and we have now got our ESC, which is the RX8, and I'm waiting for the, I think it's the Tekin Eliminator 2.5T 2.5 turn motor that we've gone for. So there is a few more bits we need to do to it, but Applianceelectronics, bang on, sorted me out straight away, and hopefully, weather permitting, we should be able to get some running footage soon. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.